Hi. Every day, when I go to my office and when I leave at about 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, I hear a lot of parrots around me, in that vicinity, screaming, and the trees full of parrots. It's a lovely view. People, they stand, they admire, they stare. The kids love those parrots flying back to their homes. And early morning, if I have never been in the office in the early mornings, so probably it would have been a very delightful sight to see those parrots flying off from the tree. And when I come back from the office, I usually stand and stare at the trees for at least 10 15 minutes and watch them coming back to their homes. So I'm going to share a small video after this. I hope you guys like it. It's based in Bangalore, and it is situated in Oran Mall, just in front of the WTC building. You might see a hell lot of, it's about thousands and thousands of parrots there. It comes, you can watch them at around say about 5:30 to 6 o'clock in the evening, because it's getting a little darker nowadays during this winter. So you will see them coming back in bulk. So I hope you will like this, and I'll share the videos after this video only. Hope you like it, enjoy it, and take care. Bye bye.